That afternoon he had damp rails and a full train. There were passengers even in Beatrice, the guardsman. His wheels slipped dreadfully on the steep bit after the first station, but they gripped at last. The worst's over, he thought. Now we're away. Come along, he sang to the coaches. Come along. Oh, I've got cramp, he groaned. The controller and Mr. Hugh examined him carefully. The passengers watched and waited. Renius eyed them anxiously. They looked cross. The train jerked and began to move. I'll do it. I'll do it. Everyone cheered, but Renius heard nothing. The thin controllers were relying on me. If I fail, the railway will close. It mustn't. I'll get there or burst. Everything blurred. He was too tired to move another yard. But he did, and another, and another, and another. Till I got there at last, he sighed with relief. It's proud of you I am indeed.